Practicing conversation topics is a great way to learn how to speak real English in a natural way. Today I have a student. Let's talk to him. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. What's about you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Mayank Rohila.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in 6th grade.
Where are you currently studying?
I'm currently studying in Dayal Singh Public School, Panipat.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Anita Arora ma'am
Why?
because she teaches us through practical way and she also motivates us.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you learn computer at school?
Yes, it is a part of our syllabus.
What is your father?
My father is a teacher.
And mother?
My mother is a housemaker.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother.
Do you play any game?
Yes, I love to play cricket.
Oh, who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Shuman Gill.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like to read science books.
That's great. Do you like watching TVs?
Yes, I like to watch TV.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch sports on TV.
Do you have any hobbies or interest?
Yes, I like to play cricket and to watch TV.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Yes, definitely I am a night owl.
How are you feeling?
Yes, I'm feeling great.
What do you want to be in life?
Yes, I want to be a scientist.
What is the movie that inspired you the most?
I think 12th fail.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to watch a movie.
Okay, Mayank, it was a great talking to you. I wish you all the best in life.
Okay, thank you, sir.